Lisa, you want a toy? Yeah, no, maybe? Lisa, Lisa. Go get it. Copper will get it. Hi, Lisa. Lisa, can you sit? Sit, baby. Lisa, sit. 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 Come on. You want this? You gotta sit. Hi, Copper. Sit, Lisa. No, sit. Lisa, sit. Good girl. Good girl, Lisa. Copper, you gonna play with Lisa? Copper? Hey. You gonna play with Lisa a little bit? Hi, Copper. Get that toy, Lisa. Good girl. Good girl, get that toy. Good girl, yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Lisa, do you like food? Do you like treats? Get down. You're not supposed to do that. Get down. Just because you're on video. Come on. Yeah, oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. See, I'm Lisa and I'm food obsessed. That's okay though. Can you sit down, Lisa? Sit down. Sit down. Or do that. That works too. That's kind of cute. Sit. Sit, Lisa. Copper, show Lisa how to sit. Copper, show Lisa how to sit. Sit, Copper. Are you going to do it too now? Copper, sit. No? Lisa, can you sit? Sit. Sit, Lisa. Sit. Come on, Lisa. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. You just kind of grabbed my whole finger there. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Yeah. This is Lisa's foster brother. Here you go. Lisa. Lisa. Hi, sweetie. Say, will you be my forever parents?